back. Lisa with Joyfully Art. I hope you're getting this. I'm having trouble with my camera. I'm trying to get better at my videos, but it's a little bit difficult. You can't hardly see what I'm doing sometimes, and I'm sorry about that. My gloves on. I'm not very good at it yet, and I've got such a rinky camera. I need to try and save up and get me a new one. I'm going to do something that I saw another video done, and I've never tried it. And I've got 7 different colors here, and they're all different paints. Artist Creation, Artist Loft, Apple Barrel, I think it is, and also some mist tint house paint samples. And I use treadmill oil for silicone. I'm just going to give them a stir, and then I'll set them right over here. That's kind of a dark purple, yellow, a mauve color. Get that out of the way. Orange. A light green. This is magenta. And turquoise. And I have an 18 by 24 canvas. I forgot my pour cups. Right back. I'm going to use 4 pour cups for this. First, I'm going to put some white down, just because I got a boo-boo on the end of this canvas, and I want to trying to cover it up. So I'll spread out my trusty spatula. That will work. Well, I was supposed to go to a moonlight market tonight in a town close to us, a bigger town. We live in a very small town, but in a bigger town close to us. And the weather is nasty. We've been having storms, so they canceled it. So I just decided that I would paint instead. I hadn't made a video in a couple days, or a few days. I tried, but my camera messed up, so I couldn't use it. Okay, there we go. Get my torch. Get out any air bubbles that I have. It's stormy, but it's very hot and humid. There, I'm gonna get that out of there. Oh, imagine that, it's dog hair. Wonder where that came from. I have dogs. I find hair everywhere. Okay. So I'm gonna use 4 cups. With yellow. My canvas is kind of big, so I can't put the cups over too close for you guys to see me pouring. So I hope this isn't too boring. I could sing you a song while I'm doing it, but you probably wouldn't like that. Go with magenta. I like magenta, it's very pretty. That and yellow goes together very well, I think. Pretty full cups. There's the dark purple. My stick is getting in the way. Sorry, this is really boring, I know. Then we have mauve. Then some orange. I was really looking forward to that moonlight thing tonight, but they have it on the I'm not sure, the 15th. It's 2 Wednesdays a month. I'm not sure if they fall on the same dates or not. There's the blue, and here's the green. I hope this turns out as pretty as hers did. But I'm going to put a little bit of white down in all the way, try and get it to go in. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to top off with just a little bit more magenta real quick. That's because that's one of my favorite colors. Okay, now we're ready. So, oops, goof there. Some purple. Okay, what we do is I'm gonna flip it. There's one. That didn't work too well. Get all the paint off of it. 2, 3. Oh, that was a mess. 4. Man, I'm not very good at that. I'm gonna have to practice. I got most of it on my table over there. Gonna let it sit for a minute. See how much I can't sing. Well, what spilled out looks pretty good, I think, but we'll have to see. Okay, now what she does is brings it down and back up, just like that. This one down and back up. Go down here. I don't think mine's going to turn out like hers. I'll have to practice on it. She has definite lines all in between hers. So it does look different. Oh, let's give it a torch. Do have some nice cells, and I like the colors. Let's see, got something right there. Paint that I don't want to be there. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can tilt it a little bit. Back down some. Go this way. I hope you can see what's going on. Okay. Kind of elongating my cells here. Whoa. Go off on the floor. Can't have that. I got enough paint on my floors without doing more. Now let's go this way, get this side. Help it along a little bit there. Oh, canvases are big. back over this way a little bit, see if we can get rid of that. There we go. Oh goodness. I almost don't have a big enough area to do this size. It's very hard without making a huge mess like I have already. Keep that up on the table, we'll be doing good. Check my sides, make sure everything's covered. Just so you know, this looks nothing like hers. Hers is much better. So I'm gonna have to practice on it. I like this. I like the colors that came through. I think they're very pretty. I like this blue. Okay, seems to be pretty good. Everything's covered pretty well. I hope you like it. I think it's really rather pretty. Like I said, it didn't turn out anything like hers, but that's okay. I still like it. And everything doesn't always turn out the way that you want. That's one good thing about pour painting. Somebody will do it, and you'll try and do the exact same thing, and it looks totally different. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Okay. There we go. Let's give it one more torch. Real quick, just to be on the safe side that there's no bubbles. There we go. Okay, I think that's it for today. It was a short, sweet video. I hope you'll subscribe and share it to all your friends. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. I would really appreciate it. All my colors and how I mixed them with floetrol and things will be down in the description. And please, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. Thank you.